Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kumar. I am currently interning Spark Foundation as function of data science and business analytics. So here I am doing task number 3, that is exploratory data analysis of a superstore. So let's dive into coding part, and after that dive into the visualization part that I have done using Tableau software. So let's go.
So let's start. Basically, this is task number 3, that is data analysis of a superstore. So here I am pretending that I am a business manager and I try to find the big areas where I can make more profit. So here I use Python for coding and analysis part. For visualization of data, I use Tableau software. I think Tableau is one of the best software for data visualization. And there are many other software you can use, but here I use W and Python. So this is the this is the data set where I got the data for the superstore. So first I will import all the necessary libraries that I use for this data analysis. So that I use Panda library, NumPy library, Seaborn, and one necessary, that is matplotlib. These are important libraries for data analysis. And here, after importing that, I import the dataset file. So we all know that maximum times the dataset in is .csv file. So for importing that CSV file, we use pd.read underscore CSV file. So my full syntax is data is equal to pd.read underscore CSV file, and the name of that file where I stored in my system or machine. So here is data. Means I usually name the dataset as data. So here I call data in my whole data analysis part. And after importing the important libraries and data set, then I see this data, and here I use data.sample and 5. Means I have called 5 columns for this. So see, 1 2 3 4, there are 5 columns, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 12. So means 13 above rows. So rows are like more segment, countries, cities. So when I call data head, means they count all the columns from 0. Okay. And after, when I use here data.tail, means when I call tail, it compiling from bottom, means last 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. And after that I check the shape of my dataset. When I click data.shape, this combined that 9,994 rows, sorry, 9,994 columns and 13 rows are there in that data set. And after I see want to all the information inside the data set, so I simply put data.info. Here I got all the information regarding this, that is columns with mode. There are known and valued data type, that is object. Means there are 12 13 rows. Okay. And after that I describe the data, so that I use data.describe. Here post I describe that font means standard minimum, and here the percentage, that is 25 50 75, and here is the maximum percentage, that is maximum profit, that is 8,399.976,000. After that I use search for unique value in each column. So for that I use for I in data.column, print I length data I dot unique value. After that I got shift mode. In shift mode, We have 4 unique value segment in segment 3 in country 1 and in city 531, state 49, postal code 631, region 4, category 3, subcategory 17, sales 5825, quantity 14, discount 12, profit 7287. That is the unique value in each column. After that, I check the null value. Is there any null value? This is most important part for analyzing any data set. So for that, syntax is data is equal to dot is null dot sum. If I use data dot is null, then it it shows in boolean. So I did not want in boolean, that's why I use dot sum. So I see that there is no any null value. After that, I go for data visualization. So first use SNS pair plot. So here I used all the relationship between all the SNS pair plot, where I use all the visualization of each, that is postal code, sales, quality, discount, profit, and after that I use history plot. For that I got all the postal code, sales, quantity, discount, profit, extra. I got all the histogram for that. That is his data dot his. For that here I got the postal code, sales, quantity, discount, profit. So here I use data.hist for postal code. So here I am separately using this. So you can generally see for 20 for Tula there are almost 7 to 800 postal code, means for 1 crore there's maximum postal codes. Okay. Uh, Vice versa, we use data.his sales, data.his for quantity, for discount, for profit, and after that I use graph, that is correlation of postal code, sales, quantity. So you can see for profit, that is correlation is all, that is 1. For that is darker part, that is for correlation of profit discount. So that is almost 0.2. And after that I use for total profit and sales. For that I use total profit versus sales graph. So here you can see the sales graph here and subcategory here. For profit I use orange color, for sales I use blue color. We can choose any color according to me. Here I use orange and blue. So you can see in art, sales are more than profit. And after that I use total sales versus quantity. Yes, blue is sales and orange is quantity. So you can see. After that I use a discount versus profit. For discount, that is for blue, you can see here. For profit, that is for orange. After that I use distribution plot. So here is this for distribution, that is density sales, density profit versus quality, density versus discount. And after that I use sales with different shipping modes, like ship mode, corporate mode, consumers, corporate segment, etc. And after that I use count versus quantity. So here you use by direction, that is south, west, central, east. So when we see that in the second column, that is more count, that is more than 750 counts for west. And that's the our polling part. Now let's move for our dashboard that I have.
So this is our dashboard for our data analysis for Superstore. So here the total profit I have earned as a business manager, that is 2,86,397 and 20.22 cents. Okay, after that I make a total benefit graph using profit versus sales. Here you can see maximum profit is from 5 to in between 5 to 10k. Okay, and after that I use average selling by using quantity versus sale. So you can see the almost 8k has been sold, around 500k sales. So after that I use the graph of selling all the products like binder. You can say see 9892 has been sold, for copier almost 17499 almost sold. After that I use sell profit quantity graph by using triangular graph. Whenever I see the sales is quantity is increasing, the sales is automatically increases. After that I use to put quantity and profit graph, where thinner part is quantity and thicker part is profit. So generally we see that in California the profit is almost 70 to 80k. After that I use pie chart, where you can say highest profit, that is 8399 point dollar point 976 cents, that is almost blue part. And after that I use map collaboration, that is for where we can say the blue part. So that is highest sale. And after that we use the quantity versus state graph. So here you can say for New York, California, Virginia, Georgia, Michigan, Washington all have 7 quantity. So after that I used to put the dataset, that is for table, that is for I use 6 column and almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows, where you can see the highest profit is 6719, that is for Cooper, for Seattle City. And after that for New York for Cooper almost. And after that if you see, that is for mobile. So after that the maximum quantity is 7. So this is our dashboard. And after I visualize that the features, profit and discounts are highly related. And another point is that over less quantity of products also the sales were high, and the maximum quantity of product in demand was in the range around between 2 to 4. The mode of shipping does not affect much to the sales according to me, by using by analyzing the dataset that I have got. And the last one is the home office provide highest sale, followed by cooperative by a slight variation. So this is all the things that I have analyzed after using this data set. So thank you.